Hi, I'm Justin McConville, the leader of Health, Safety and Environment at Onside Restoration. As the economy slowly opens back up in phases in many provinces, people are slowly heading back to work. And with that comes concerns about workstation and general office cleanliness. Today I'll talk about some tips on keeping your workstation clean and some fun facts about bacteria and viruses. Bacteria and viruses are both very similar yet different at the same time. They are both very small organisms that are so small you can only see them through a microscope. And both viruses and bacteria can cause mild to serious illnesses. Unlike bacteria, viruses can't survive without a host, meaning that left in the natural environment, they will eventually die. The length a virus can live without a host varies depending on the type of virus. For example, some viruses might live on a surface for a few hours, while others may live on a surface for a few weeks, of course depending on the environment they're in. Let's take for example norovirus, commonly known as the stomach bug or stomach flu. Because it lives for such long periods of time and is very hard to kill, it rapidly spreads through daycares and schools and cruise ships. Also, unlike bacteria, most viruses are quite specific about the cells they attack. For example, certain viruses attack the liver, whereas viruses such as COVID-19 attack the respiratory system. While most viruses are considered to be bad, many types of bacteria are considered to be good for your health, such as probiotics found in yogurt. Our bodies are filled with bacteria. In fact, the amount of bacteria in our bodies weighs as much as our brain, roughly 3 to 4 pounds. With all that in mind, when we head back to work, it's important to have a personal cleaning plan for your workstation. After all, there's more bacteria in our mouths than there are people in the world. And our cell phones harbor on average 18 times more bacteria than a toilet seat. When you're cleaning your computer keyboard, also lean over and do once or twice over on your desk phone or any high touch points in your office. If your workstation happens to be a vehicle, ensure you clean your keys and dials and steering wheel and any other high touch points throughout the day. We get asked, how often should you clean your workstation? And the general rule of thumb is to give everything a wipe down in the morning before you start your shift and at the end of the day before you head home. And make sure your workstation is free of clutter so that it's easy to clean the next morning and apply disinfectant. And if you have janitorial staff or cleaners, or if someone happens to get sick of your work and you have to hire someone to come in and do a clean, it's a lot easier, faster to clean a workstation that's free of clutter, and therefore no paperwork has to be thrown away off your desk. Thank you for watching. If you'd like any further clarification on anything you've run into, let us know. Should you require decontamination as part of your reopening plan, or for more information about decontamination and other COVID-19 related tips, please visit our website at www.onside.ca. If you have any questions, email us at contactus@onside.ca.